everyone, it's Desiree. Very different video here, as you can see with the title. I am truly honored that I was contacted to be a guest designer for January for Love from Lizi. So this is going to be just the reveal. I want to show you because these kits are jam-packed, and again, this is for January. And we are going to go through each of the items that you will receive in your kit. But do know, and I'll have links to her site and all of that blog and everything down below. There's also add-ons that are available. It's absolutely phenomenal what she has. So make sure you do check that out. If this is the first time that you're hearing of this, we will have fun together. This is the first time that I'm playing and going to have a lot of fun with the kit. So let's talk cardstock first. So you get a sheet of black, gold satin, and you will get 5 sheets of white. Now the gold and the white are 8.5 by 11, and the black sheet is 8 1/4 by 11 3/4. Now you also get sheets that are 8 by 8. And these are absolutely beautiful. Look at these beautiful rainbow colors in the middle of winter. Yay! Yes, we need to push winter along, get it through, make it go away. I'm over it now. Aren't y'all? So these wonderful bright colors, I think will just do the trick on this. So not only when it comes to this cardstock, not only are you going to get that in 8 by 8, but you're also going to get the same patterns, just in a smaller scale, in 6 by 6. These are one-sided, so we do not need to stress on what side we want to cut and use. It's very stressful when we have to do that. It is. We know. You're going to get a pack of stickers, which have some great sentiments and can be used just in that way for all of your cards. Some awesome glitter letters, so we can spell our own words and put it in a rainbow, which would be great. And these awesome strips. I have been eyeing these. I can't tell you how long. I absolutely love them. I am just so glad I get to finally play with them. There are multiple sizes. Now this one happens to be yellow. And I'm just going to bend down so that you can see the different sizes. I mean, they go from minuscule pencil thin to just under 1/8 of an inch, it looks like. And you get this beautiful hologram one. So I am so excited for those. I'm excited for the whole kit, but those. Your stamp set is going to be a gorgeous cloud. And you can either have stars falling from it, hearts, or raindrops. The sentiments are absolutely beautiful. Rain is nature's glitter, and life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. So, beautiful sentiments. You also get a very interesting stencil. This is just way too cute. So you have cloud shapes on the top and the bottom. You have scalloped on either side. And then you have, of course, all the different sides of the clouds. Now, the largest one does fit against the stamp. So that'll be fun. You also get a die. So this will be fun to make a pot, fill it with some gold coins, have the cloud above it. That little sliver, you can make a little rainbow coming out. Silver lining. All that fun stuff. That's just the big pack. Let's dig into the smaller. So in there is a full-size Nouveau glitter, and it is called Yellow Bird. So this is going to roll on me for a while, so we're going to watch that, and I'm going to keep fighting with it, and this is where I'm really hollering at it, and I'm surprised I didn't point at it. Yes. Some beautiful sequins. Now, we all know, if you've seen my previous videos, I love my iridescent sequins. A great packet of some gems and pearls to accent your cards. I mean, there's so many colors absolutely in the rainbow. And they're the perfect size. They're not too big And I don't think that they're too small. So I kind of like that size. You're going to get a couple of wooden chips, die cuts, and 2 envelopes that are usable, meaning you can put something inside of them when your hands aren't full like mine were. There is also a double-sided foam on the back of those envelopes, so they will already have dimension when you put them on your card. And one of those die cuts, one of them said with love and the other one was plain. You also get this happy birthday die cut or wood cut, and it's glitter, so it's kind of cool. You get 4 tags, which is the same as the pattern paper, but it is thicker than what the pattern paper is. And these wonderful chipboard pieces that look like Polaroid frames, again, matching the pattern paper in the kit. Some beautiful ribbon. The first up is a white and silver print that says Happy Birthday. It's absolutely beautiful. It's just over an inch wide. You're going to get some white and black satin ribbon. That's about 3/4 wide on each of those. Some beautiful ivory and gold, metallic gold on the edges. That's like under 1/4. And this gorgeous rickrack. I cannot wait to start playing with that as well. So this is everything that you will receive in your January kit for Love from Lizi. Again, I am very honored to be asked to be a guest designer for this kit. So later on, not in this video, but later on, so make sure you stay tuned, I will be doing a 10 card one kit. Yes, you heard, 10 cards, 1 kit. I know, I just got you used to 5. But for the Love for Lizi kit, yes, let's do a 10 card 1 kit. Let's have some fun. Let's see how far we can take this kit and where our imagination will take us in there. So make sure you stay tuned. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave those down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All of the links to Love from Lizi, where you can get your card kit, her blog, everything, of course, will be down in the video description. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'd love to have you here as part of our crafty and being creative gang. I hope everyone's enjoying their holiday season. But remember what's most important, especially during this time. Always be creative.